to our wreath decorating video. So you have purchased a wreath decorating kit from us, Petite Petal Company, and in your shipment you should have gotten your full wreath fully made, along with a package of decorative elements including some ribbon. This is the, open it up. I have red velvet ribbon, some straight wire, frosted gold bubbles, and white bubbles, along with 2 different kinds of pine cones. I have plain pine cones, and I also have frosted pine cones. And I'm going to set those aside. And some red berries, some little miniature pine cones with berries, and then some loose red berries to decorate with. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make your bow. So you're going to pull out your red velvet ribbon, unfold, and you're going to need your ribbon along with some of the straight wire that came. This looks like that. So what you want to do is make 2 ears. So I'm folding and I'm folding. What you can do is put your ribbon, fold it in half, and then you know where the center is. It's right here. And then you're going to take one side and hold it up and leave a tail, and then the other side, fold it up and leave a tail. It's about the same length, and then you have the beginning of your bow. What you're going to want to do is take your straight wire, and you're going to want to fork the ribbon. So you're not actually going to tie it. What you're going to do is fold your bow in half over your wire, and what I like to do is hold it very tight. So now I have the 2 ears and 2 tails all together on one side, and I'm holding it really, really tight, and then I'm pulling this at the same time. As I'm pulling, so it's very, very tight, I'm pulling and twisting. So I'm cinching the middle of the bow, and then you can unfold your bow and pop up the ears, and then you have a nice Christmas bow. The nice thing about the wired bows is that you could bend them and it gives it some nice movement like that. And then once you have an idea, and then you have a nice bow, you can cut the ends of your ribbon if you like in either a fork or just a nice slant. Either way is okay. And then you're going to decide where you want your top of the wreath going to be. So I'm going to flip it upside down. You'll see the back of the wreath, and so you're going to see this wire branch. So you have 2 options. One option is you can actually just tuck the nail behind one of these and hang it. That can get a little tricky though sometimes. So what we do is we just take a piece of straight wire and tuck it in underneath the frame, and then you could basically tie it onto itself, twist it, and then you have a little loop to hang your wreath off of. So I'm going to cut that in, don't need that, and I'm going to loop it all the way through. And then now I have, oh, couldn't on it. Now you have a nice loop that you could hang your Christmas wreath off of. So now that I know this is my top, this is where my loop is, I'm going to turn it around so I make sure that this is the top. and that's where I'm going to add my bow. So now you have, make sure you leave these long tails on, because what you're going to do is wire it to the top of your wreath. So I'm placing it on top, flipping it over, and then I have the 2 tails here, wild greenery here, and I'm going to pull tight and then twist. And that secures my bow. And once you're done, you could take some clippers, cut the ends off. Once you know your bow is secure, take the ends and just tuck it in onto itself. So then you have the top of your wreath. Okay, once you have your bow on, you can start putting all of your decorative elements on. So you have some pine cones, and I'm going to, before I commit, I'm not going to wire them in yet. I'm just kind of putting them on top of my wreath, kind of getting an idea of where I want to put everything. I'm going to turn it around and take a look at it. And it's nice to put your pine cones a little out so they're not all in a straight line. So I'm going to go a little bit in and a little bit out here. There we go. And then I grouped my baubles into 2. So I did all my white baubles in groups of 2. And I'm gonna just pop them in randomly here. And don't feel like you have to use everything that we have. You can, if you just like the white, I would just do the white. If you just like the frosted with the white, you don't have to use the plain pine cones. And then I have these little tiny pine cones with berries that I'm popping in. And again, I'm just trying to make sure the red is everywhere. Then I have the gold baubles, and these are in clusters of 3. And so I'm gonna put some up there and move that over now. Move that onto the other side, and I'm gonna pop that here. And I'm gonna change these so it's a little bit more balanced. There we go. And then lastly, I have these little guys that I think I will first wire everything in and then put all my little red baubles in, little beads at the end. So all you do is take your tail, and you don't need to go all the way to the base of your wreath. You could just pick up some of the foliage and wire the baubles to the foliage, like that. There we go. And wire my pine cones. And there you go. So there you have it, your finished wreath. There we go. You can fluff your bow up too so that the ears are showing. And I'm gonna just go through and wire my pine cones. And make sure everything is secure. you have it, your wreath ready to be hung up on your door. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at hello@petitepetalco.com. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. And if you get a moment, snap a photo for me and email it to me or share with me on Instagram. We're at petitepetalco.com. I would love to see what you created. Thank you so much and happy holidays.